A very good afternoon to all of you. So today's our topic is structure of flower. We are going to study structure of flower in detail. So all of you know, all of us has already seen many of flowers, but the detailed structure today we are going to see in detail. So this is an example of viscous flower. So all of you know the flower consists of two essential whorls. One essential whorl and another is called as in general it is called as non-essential whorl, but actually it is accessory whorl. So essential whorl consists of reproductive organs, that is androecium and gynoecium, while the non-essential whorl or the accessory whorl consists of calyx and corolla as shown in the diagram. So we will see the essential whorl, the first one which is for reproduction, which helps in plant for reproduction, that is called as stamens. So these stamens are nothing but these are the male part of the flower and which makes pollen in anther. So as you can see here, so this is your stamen which consists of anther, and in anther there are pollen grains which get dispersed with the help of wind. So here you can see the yellowish color powder, that is of pollen which is present in anther. So basically a stamen consists of an anther, connective and a filament. So this is anther which shows pollen grains. So these pollen grains are microscopic in nature. You have to see these pollen grains under the microscope only. Then these are filaments. So these filaments are the stalks which holds or which holds the anthers. Then the female structure, that is stigma. So stigma is actually the female part of the flower, or it is a female reproductive structure in the plant. Pollen which get dispersed with the help of wind that get collected on the stigma due to its sticky nature. So generally it consists of a pistil, or it is also called as a carpel. So carpel is nothing but it consists of style, stigma and ovary. So ovary which consists of ovule, style and the stigma which is sticky in nature, which holds pollen grains which were dispersed by the wind. So here in the ovary we can see ovules are present. These ovules further form seed in plant and the ovule forms the ovary wall. So the structure of ovary. So here the ovary protects the ovules. It consists of ovules, as you have seen in P, which in Marathi we call as vatana. You can see the pod is ovary and the seeds, that is the vatana, is the ovules. These pollens which are dispersed with the help of wind, this travels to the stigma through style and it reaches to the ovule where the fertilization takes place. So the typical characteristic of dicot plant is triple fertilization which takes place or which took place in the ovary. Once the fertilization is done, then the seed is formed. So you can see here, so the pollen grains get transferred through stigma to the style and finally to the ovary. In the ovule, these pollen grains get fertilized and there is a fertilization, and finally the final product is the seed. So you can see the ovules, or in our words it is called as eggs, the part of the flower in which the eggs are produced and the seeds are developed, that is called as ovule. So we will see in short. Can you tell me the words pollen stick to this part? Out of this you have to tell me one word. So pollen sticks to this part, either stamen, stigma, petal, ovary or sepals. So here the answer is pollen sticks to the stigma. Second question, where the seeds grows. So from this option you have to tell. So here from ovary dash these attract insect. So here petals attract the insect. Question number 4, where is the pollen is made? So pollen is made inside the stamen. And the last question, this protects the flower before it opens. Before opening, this protects the flower. So again the answer is petals. So similarly you have to solve these questions. So these are the some options. You have to fill all the boxes with the answers. So the time limit will be 5 minutes. You have to answer these questions. Okay? Thank you.